We're here at Innovative Car Sound and Security 2017 Toyota Highlander. It was brought in today to do a remote start with alarm system to the factory remote. This is a push to start button vehicle. To crank it up, hold the brake down, push the start button, fires up the engine. Now we added the alarm system to the original remote. If the vehicle is hit or any of the doors are pried open, it will set off the alarm. I'm going to reach in, unlock the door. And for remote start, we push the lock button 3 times. And a few seconds later, the engine cranks. Keys right here. There's no one sitting inside. Remote start, factory remote with the alarm. We have it in stock and ready to go here at Innovative Car Sound. Come by the shop, check us out. We are open Monday to Saturday, 10 to 6, closed on Sunday. 2017 Toyota Highlander. This one's all set and ready to go. We'll see you guys on the next one.